In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube to n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, open the n8n workflow interface. Start by clicking on the Add Step button. You can choose to use Trigger manually or pick any other trigger that suits your needs. This is where we start shaping the automation process. Next, you'll want to add another node. Just type YouTube in the search field and select an operation that you want to perform. For instance, let's say you want to create a playlist. That'll be your first step with the YouTube integration. Now, in the Credentials drop-down, you'll see the option to create new credential. Click on that, and n8n will provide you an OAuth redirect URL. Make sure to copy this URL because you'll need it shortly. It's an important part of the connection process. Once you've done that, open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. This will take you to the Google Cloud Console where we'll set up everything needed for the connection. In the top left of the screen, you'll find a project drop-down menu. Click on it and select New Project. It's a good idea to name this project something recognizable, like YouTube example. Once you create this project, ensure it's selected in the drop-down. The next step involves configuring the OAuth consent and creating the necessary credentials. On the left navigation menu, look for APIs and Services and head to the OAuth consent screen. In the same section, click on Credentials, then click the Create Credentials button. Choose OAuth Client ID from the options. When prompted for the application type, select Web Application. Give your application a name. A simple one, like Demo, works just fine. Now, you'll need to enter the Authorized Redirect URIs section. This is where you'll paste the OAuth redirect URL you copied from n8n earlier. After adding the URI, click Create. Once you create this, a pop-up will appear with your client ID and client secret. Go ahead and copy those values to their respective fields back in the n8n credential window. This step is crucial for establishing the connection. Now let's add a test user, which is an important step in this process. Go back to the OAuth consent screen in your Google Cloud Console. Scroll down to the Test Users section, click on Add Users, and enter the email address associated with your Google or YouTube account. Don't forget to save after adding it. Next, we need to enable the YouTube Data API. In the search bar at the top of the Google Cloud Console, type YouTube and select YouTube Data API v3. Click the Enable button to ensure that your Google Cloud project is allowed to interact with YouTube data. Now, it's time to connect your account in n8n. Return to n8n and click on Sign in with Google within the credential setup. Log in with your Google account. If a warning screen pops up stating that the app isn't verified, don't worry. Just click Continue or go to Advanced, followed by Go to n8n and grant the requested permissions. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, n8n will display a message saying Account Connected. You are now fully authorized to automate your YouTube tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find success with your YouTube automations in n8n.